to today? But first, on Mondays, we recycle. But yeah, so where to today? Here's a hint. No Crocs like last time. A little bit of walking involved. I love these neighborhood back streets. It's a part of Japan you don't normally see. I swear just yesterday there was nothing here. The Japanese are really good and really fast at building houses. This is where we send our mail. It's one of my favorite trees in the neighborhood. I don't know, it just gives off Super Mario World vibes to me. And this guy right here, the mascot of Takatsuki. Quick note about these yellow bumper strips here. They're for blind people, and they're found all over Japan's sidewalks. Here's a high school. Local track? Shinkansen track. Baikumo. Okay. Yeah, you don't want to touch this button. Well, that's cute. I swear, wherever you are, you're always 5 feet from a 7-Eleven. Reason 36 that Japan is so safe, these massive mirrors help you see if cars are coming. I really enjoy the quaint little train stations tucked away. This is the kanji for safety, and for good reason. Oh, what do you know? Any Spider-Man fans out there? Ta-da! Asahi Gardens. Okay, so I know that was kind of a lame reveal, but please enjoy what's to come. consulted my friend here, Mr. G. Oogle, And it says here visitors can enjoy numerous plants placed around the 4,050-acre garden, delighting the eye in different ways from season to season, including the cherry blossom in spring and the red leaves in autumn. Spend a rich time in the garden with its changing seasonal faces. Thanks, Mr. G. I spy some carp with my little eye. Not a bad place to do some reading.